This low was 10 degrees above the normal low of 35. The record low... The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northern Milwaukee, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Wauwatosa, Whitefish Bay, Brown Deer, Fox Point, Bayside, River Hills, Shorewood, and Milwaukee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We unread message.